Hi, little learners. Welcome to Kids Knowledge Club. We are going to have so much fun learning numbers 1 to 5 using toys, beads, and colorful cards. Are you ready? Thumbs up if you are excited. Let's learn our numbers using flashcards. I am going to show you a number and you can say it out loud with me. Are you ready? Here comes number 1. Can you say 1? Great. Now let's look here. Can we find one toy on this activity board? Can you find anywhere one toy in the activity board? Yes, you're right. We can find one coin toy dollar. Can you see here? It's a one coin toy dollar. You're right. Here comes number 2. Yes, can you tell me what number is this? Yes, it's 2. Let's find 2 toys on our activity board. Can you find 2 toys on your activity board? Where is 2 toys? Same, it looks similar. Yes, this one, you're right. Dinosaur. Can you see one dinosaur and 2 dinosaurs? 2 dinosaurs are here. Let's count with me. 1, 2. There are 2 dinosaurs. Here comes 3. Let's say it together. 3. Can you please repeat it? Yes, it's number 3. Can we find 3 cars on our activity board? Yes, it's here. You got it. Good job. 1, 2, and 3. 3 cars. You're right. Can you tell me what number is this? Yes, it's 4. What number is this? 4. Can you find 4 shells here? This one? Where it is? Yes, it's here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 shells are here. Great job. Here comes the number 5. It's a big 5. Can you shout and say this number? Yes, it's 5. Now for the number 5, we are going to count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we try to tell in a backward number? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's amazing. You done a great job. You did amazing with the numbers 1 to 5. Let's give ourselves a happy clap. Now the first activity is count and play with toys. Here comes our activity board. So you can say number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we tell one more time in a backward? Now let's try with backward numbers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here is number 1. So how many pom-poms we need to keep? Yes, you are right. We need to keep 1 pom-pom inside the circle. Now can you tell me what number is this? You are right. This is number 2. Now we need to keep 2 pom-poms inside the circle. 1 and 2. Can you tell me what number is this? Yes, it's number 3. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Now what number is this? Yes, this is number 4. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me what number is this? Yes, this is number 5. We all will count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Amazing. Now look at our activity board. Each number has the right number of pom-poms. Amazing count, everyone. Now it's a time for fine motor skills. We are going to feed beads onto our string, just like a threading a necklace. Here is a string and a bowl full of colorful beads. Let's take one bead and push it through the string. Before that, you can start to write the numbers 1 to 5. Can you tell me what number is this? Yes, it's number 1. You are right. So we can take one bead and feed. And can you tell me what number is this? Yes, it's right, number 2. So we are going to feed 2 beads. 1 and 2. 2 beads. 1 and 2. 2 beads. Now this is number 3. Now we can take how many beads? You are amazing. Yes, it's 3 beads. Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Now this is number... Yes, you're right. This is number 4. Let's count out 4 beads and thread them one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now what number is this? Yes, this is number 5. So we are going to take 5 beads. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. You've done a great job. Shall we count now? This is number 1. Can you count and tell me how many beads are here? Yes, only 1. This is number 2. Let's count together. 1, 2. 2 beads. Now, can you tell me what number is this? It's number 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Now this is number 4. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you guess what number is this? You're amazing. This is number 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Great job feeding the beads. This helps us count and makes our fingers strong and smart. Now it's time to ready for the song. I hope you all know Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Am I right? The same tune we are going to sing a new number song. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and dance and feel alive. Clap, your hands and jump so high. Reach for numbers in the sky. Shall we sing one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and dance, feel alive. Clap your hands, jump so high. Reach for numbers in the sky. You're awesome. Here are some numbers on the activity board. Can you help me find number 5? Can you find number 5 on this board? This is number 5. Here can we find where is number 5? And let's color it in blue. Can you tell me where it is? Can you tell me where it is? Yes, you are right. It's here. And can you find one more 5? Where it is? Yes, it's here. You're right. You can color this number 5 in blue color. Wow, that's amazing. You're coloring very nice. Can you spot number 3? Can you spot number 3? Yes, let's color number 3 with orange. Where it is? It's here. One more 3. Where it is? It's here. Where? Yes, you are right. Here. This is number 3. Amazing. Now, let's find number 2. Can you find where is number 2? Point to it on the activity board. It's here. And you're right, it's here. There is 2 2's on the activity board. Wonderful. Let's color number 2 with green. And the next one is number 4. Can you find where is number 4 here? Yes, you're right. Here and here. There are 2 4's on the activity board. Let's start to color with purple. And the last one, number 1. Let's find where is number 1 and color it with yellow. All our numbers are 1 to 5 are colored and looking beautiful. You are amazing number hunters and artists. But I want to give you something. Yes, you done a great job. Let's do a quick recap of numbers 1 to 5. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5. Can we tell one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall we try one more time in a backward counting? Start from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. You did it. You are a number star. That was amazing, friends. You learned all your numbers 1 to 5. Give yourself a big clap. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more fun learning videos. Ask your grown-up to help you count some things at home. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.